Hi everybody, I've just checked into my stateroom aboard Windstar's luxury yacht, Wind Spirit. I'm here in Papeete, Tahiti, and for the next 7 days I'm going to be sailing around the Tahitian Islands in French Polynesia. This is my first time aboard Windstar cruises and my first time in French Polynesia. Oh, so this is going to be quite the excitement for me. You see the room looks incredibly comfortable. They've recently underwent quite a bit of renovations this year, so I'm pretty lucky to be here on board during this time. There's ample storage space, particularly since it's just me here, so I don't have to worry about where I put my stuff. I can put it anywhere. Here's a little fridge, Bose sound system, and look at this. Whoa, that scared me. Melting ice, bottle of champagne, and chocolate dipped strawberries. The chocolate smells so lovely. And then, of course, here's the bathroom. They fit so much in here in such a little space. And look at all the storage space. Lots of space for all of your stuff, especially if you're just one person, like me. And then they offer L'Occitane products here. I love L'Occitane products. They smell so good and they're very good for your skin. Here's the shower. So here's my room. Just wanted to give you a little tour. And now I think it's time to pop open the bottle and celebrate life. So just wanted to say hi, and I will enjoy this cruise for me and for you. Bye from Tahiti.